My name is Randy and I'm one of the greenhouse managers here at the Fairview Garden Center. I'm going to take a few minutes this morning and share with you 4 of my favorite spring and summer annuals, all of which we grow here. Let's go. Okay, one of my first favorites I'd like to talk and share with everybody is the Coleus plant. The Coleus comes in shade and sun-loving varieties, which is one of the reasons that I really like this plant. Another reason I like this plant is it comes in a variety of foliage shapes and colors. Some with solid colors and some with multicolor displays. The Coleus plant, again, can be used in an environment that has a lot of sun, a little bit of shade, a lot of shade, a little bit of sun. Very versatile in that aspect. The one thing to keep in mind is planting it in very well draining soil. Here at Fairview, we offer both varieties, sun and shade Coleuses, in small 4-inch diameter containers and 6-inch diameter containers. This plant is wonderful to be used in garden beds and or in containers. Okay, we're here with another one of my favorite spring and summer annuals, the dragon wing and the angel wing begonia. Subtle differences, one being the dragon wing begonia has a little smaller angel-shaped wing to it, whereas the true angel wing, notice the wing is a little bit longer. This plant is also suited for going into landscape garden beds as well as container plantings. Here at Fairview, we offer the dragon wing and the angel wing begonias in reds and pinks, 4-inch containers, 6-inch containers, pre-potted plants that you can just set on a deck or a patio, as well as hanging baskets. Okay, so we're here with the geraniums, and probably my personal favorite summer annual that we offer here at Fairview. Why is that one of my favorites? Of all the annuals I'm showing today, this is probably, in my opinion, the easiest one to care for with respect to watering. With geraniums kind of like to almost dry out in between waterings. They do not like to have real wet feet. So keep that in mind if you incorporate geraniums into your summer annual display. Geraniums primarily used in containers. A great container plant. A multitude of colors with salmon, pinks, reds, whites, and purples with mixed colors. Here at Fairview, we offer the geraniums in the small 4-inch diameter containers in a multitude of colors, 6-inch diameter containers, and while I'm holding this, I want to point out, which a lot of people don't realize, geraniums actually have some variegated foliage on them. Some varieties do. Lovely plant. The variegation is almost a purple hue in color. I'd really like to highlight that today. And in addition to that, we also offer them in hanging baskets. So porches, patios, a great place to hang a geranium. Okay, so we're on to another one of my favorite spring and summer annuals, and that would be the Sunpatiens. The Sunpatien is a hybrid of an impatient. Your Sunpatien is more suited and grown to be able to grow in full sun environment where your impatiens are more shade loving. Sunpatiens absolutely can tolerate full sun or partial sun, and they have a magnificent amount of blooms that occur. We're early in the season, so we're just now starting to see some of the blooms coming forth. Foliage on a Sunpatiens, they come in dark green as well as a variegated yellow and green. Beautiful, beautiful plant to work into your landscape or to put into containers. So here at Fairview, we offer and sell the Sunpatiens in 4-inch diameter containers, 6-inch diameter containers. We have them pre-potted so you can just simply place them on a porch or a patio in large 14 and 12-inch containers. And then of course we also sell them in hanging baskets, which can be hung on porches or patios. So this is Randy again at Fairview Garden Center. I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video and allowing me to share 4 of my favorite spring and summer annuals. And please, feel free to leave any comments. Thank you.